To clean or replace the strainer on V35, you will need a 6mm hex wrench, an O-ring removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, grease, gloves, and a soft bristled brush. Start the process by turning the pump off and disconnecting the pump from power. Using a 6mm hex wrench, remove the strainer access cover. Then use an O-ring removal tool to remove the O-ring. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the check valve strainer assembly. Inspect for damage or clogs. Clean the strainer with a soft bristled brush. If the strainer is very dirty, compressed air may be used. If the strainer is damaged, replace the assembly. If replacement parts are needed, they can be purchased through a local distributor or ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of the pump with your smartphone. Before reinstalling, coat the O-rings lightly with grease. Then reinstall the strainer, O-ring, and strainer access cover. Be sure the O-ring is properly seated before tightening securely. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.